Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club. Just here with another quick video. I thought about doing this brow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills on camera. So I'm going to try it. It's probably not going to come out the best, but oh wow. For the record, I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I'm just going to be following the steps that they have given to me. So if it comes out a little janky, don't fault me, because it's my first time trying it. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, it's Muffins for me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again. Originally $6.99. When you come this, it's free stuff Friday. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to tie my hair up. Only because I kind of don't want it in the way while I'm doing this. So I'm just going to snatch it up a little bit. Just because I want to make sure you guys get to see everything that's going on. I know my ponytail is kind of janky. I'm probably going to be blind at this point because I'll be taking off my glasses. Just so you guys know. They do have instructions that came with the kit that explain how I'm supposed to be doing it. I'm gonna try to do everything the best that I can based on everything that's given. Plus, I'm always a nervous Nancy, so just in case it doesn't come out right, don't blame me or don't blame them. They're doing a great job. All right, so use Anastasia pattern golden ratio method to achieve your perfect brow shape. Number one, begin off the brow. First, dip the brush 7B into brow duo powder. Align the brush into the nozzle upwards, marking the starting point of your brow. This is just to have, if you're not going to be using the marks with the pencils. Me personally, I'm probably not gonna do this step. It's actually very important for time factor, and because I don't want to do it, I'm not gonna do it. But you are supposed to use the brow powder duo, which is something that doesn't really come in the kit. The kit that I have just has brow gel, the tinted brow gel, and a brow wiz pencil. So if you guys do have that powder, you can definitely do this. The ending point, which is where the arch is going to be, that's going to be the second part. So you start off and you mark this place, then you mark the end points of the brow, which is usually the arch, which is the highest part where you want your brows to be. So definitely, if you're going to do that, make sure that you mark on the top, and then the end point is where the end of your brow is. These marks are just to ensure when you're picking your stencil that you pick the right one for you to expand how your brows are going to be. So definitely, if you want to do that, you can do that. Do make sure that your brows are clean. So if you do put on moisturizer or something, just make sure you wipe it down with some makeup remover or just some soap and water, and just clear it out so it's easier to put the products that are going to be used on this. So now we're going to use the stencil and hold each stencil up to your brow, allowing the stencil guide to use 3 points on your brow, on the top of your brow. Make sure that the stencil that you select fits your brow length from the front of your brow, point 1, to the arch of your brow, point 2, which is the distance from the beginning brow to the highest point of your brow. So it is important, if you are going to mark it like that, and it does help out what you're going to be doing. It does make life a little easier, but unfortunately, I'm not going to make my life easier. I'm going to make it difficult. So I am going to try to choose whatever stencil I'm going to be using. They did come with a kit. If you saw my last video, there are several eyebrow stencils that did come with it. So you can pick what kind of eyebrows you have that match closest to your brow point. So it can be easier to fill in. Alright, let's see. I know it ain't no petite arch. not it, ma'am. This is not it. Do you like my nail? Alright, next is the Slim Arch. The Slim Arch. Let's see if that works. No, we're getting there though. I have just like such cute little brows. They're so cute. Cute little brows. Yeah, but we're getting closer though. Let's see. We have a medium arch. So each of these stencils actually have like a little plastic thing that's there, and it does help you guide you for just in case you want to make your brows a little different. My brows actually don't fit to this one either. Let's see, there's a high arch. This might actually be the one. Yeah, I think this is actually the one that works for my face, which is a high arch. So I'm gonna probably go with this one. Yeah, but let's check the full arch. Let's do the full arch. I'm wondering if you guys can see it the way that I can see it. It probably would have been easier if I would have stenciled this, but I didn't. Yeah, so the full arch is not gonna work. The best one that actually fits my arch is going to be the high arch. It does come with this little plastic thing so you can see it, and it helps you to guide you, and it's going to be in sections. So it's going to be really, really good and easy to do. Because I'm going to be holding the mirror, I'm going to have to take this bad boy onto my points, and then we can definitely, you know, work from there. I'm going to see. Whew. Take time. Like I said, I am not a licensed cosmetologist, so you can follow these steps if you want. Follow these steps if you don't want. But if you decide, make sure that you're doing the right thing, because this is sad. This is really sad here. Is that good? I look kind of crazy right now. Alright, I need to put one more tip up here. Now that I'm blind, let's get this party started. Okay, we have the points. I measured the points. Use the stencil to allow the most natural hair brow to cut out. Alright, now I guess we can start with our steps. So step 1 is add the volume and texture with dip brow gel, starting application from the arch to the tail, brushing in an upward motion for a feathering effect. Pro tip: for applying brow gel, wipe off excess product from applicator. So I kind of already did that. I have one of these little brushes here that I kind of like did my little bang bang with, and that's what I did. I like put that there. Yep. Let's see if it works. Alright, I might have to put another piece of tape there. This bad boy is annoying. This gel popping. Alright, so let's see what step number 2 is. Now that we've feathered out our beautiful brows, step 2 is create hairline strokes in spare areas with brow wiz for added dimension. Pro tip: choose a shade that best matches your natural eyebrow color. Whatever. Alright, so let's get this bad boy opened. Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this one was pretty good. I did notice also they did have a brush on the end of this one. So you could probably use that brush for the beginning part before the first step, before you start feathering out, before you start off with the gel in the first step. So definitely check that out. Alright, so step 3. Step 3 is customize color and set brow in place with tinted brow gel. Alright, so let's get this tinted brow gel. Oh, fun fact, on these bottles, they have these things that have numbers on them with the little caps on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those numbers usually tell you when you open it, how long you can actually use the product for. So this one says 12 months. So after you open it, it's only good for 12 months. After that, you need to go get a new one. So, just for the record. Pro tip, I guess, right? Ooh. All right, so now that we've finished the brow kits, let's see the results. I'm going to take this off so you can see the difference of my beginning side and my end side. Okay, so I do like how they came out. It's really filled. It's a good color. It looks really good. I do like how defined it is. It does look very natural. I do need a little lineup, so don't judge me on that. But I think that it's an amazing kit, and I definitely do like it. I will be using it again. I love this whole stencil idea. It makes life a little bit easier on how to shape my eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had fun. Special thanks to Influencer and Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics. So definitely, guys, check it out if you can. Just let me know your comments down below on the video, how you felt about it. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, make sure you hit a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe. So thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join our group on Facebook, I'll put the link down below. And if you want to be a club member, all you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcardclub@gmail.com. All right, everyone. See you guys soon. Bye.